Section 5.5.2 Victim Impact Statements. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the intricacies of the criminal justice system. Today, we're discussing a crucial aspect of the sentencing phase: the victim impact statement. Let's explore how these statements influence the judicial process and the ongoing debate surrounding their constitutionality. In many states, the harm caused by a crime to the victim is now considered when deciding on an appropriate punishment for the offender. Some states even allow victims to appear in court and provide testimony about the effect the crime has had on their lives. These testimonies, known as victim impact statements, are usually read out loud in court during the sentencing phase of a trial. This information can be valuable to the judge when determining the severity of the punishment warranted for the crime. Victim impact statements offer a personal account of the emotional, psychological, and sometimes physical harm that victims have suffered due to the crime. These statements provide the court with a more comprehensive understanding of the crime's impact, beyond the factual evidence presented during the trial. For many victims, this is a crucial opportunity to express their pain and the disruption caused to their lives. However, the inclusion of victim impact statements in court proceedings has been a subject of controversy. Some criminal defendants have challenged the constitutionality of allowing these statements, arguing that they violate the proportionality doctrine requirement of the Eighth Amendment. The Eighth Amendment mandates that punishments should be proportional to the severity of the crime committed, and defendants argue that emotional testimonies could unduly influence the judge and lead to harsher sentences than warranted by the facts of the case alone. Despite these challenges, the Supreme Court has found the admission of victim statements to be constitutional, provided that they are relevant to the case and do not violate the rights of the defendant. In cases such as Payne v. Tennessee, 1991, the court ruled that victim impact statements could be considered in the sentencing phase of a trial, affirming that they offer legitimate means for the court to understand the full impact of the crime. By allowing victims to speak about the impact of the crime, the legal system acknowledges their experiences and provides a more complete understanding of the harm caused. This inclusion can be vital for the judge when deciding on a fair and just punishment. It ensures that the sentence reflects not only the legal aspects of the crime but also the personal and emotional consequences endured by the victim. For many victims, delivering a victim impact statement can be a form of catharsis. It allows them to voice their pain and suffering in a formal setting, ensuring that their story is heard by the court and the offender. This process can be a crucial step towards gaining closure and moving forward from the trauma they have experienced. Moreover, victim impact statements can serve as a reminder that crimes have real, tangible effects on individuals and communities. They humanize the abstract concept of crime, transforming it into a personal narrative that can resonate more deeply with the court and the public. While the benefits of victim impact statements are clear, it is essential to ensure that they are presented in a manner that respects the rights of both the victim and the defendant. The statements should be factual, relevant, and focused on the impact of the crime rather than on eliciting an emotional response that could prejudice the judge. In practice, judges are trained to weigh all aspects of a case carefully, including victim impact statements. They understand the importance of maintaining objectivity and ensuring that the punishment fits the crime. Judges must balance the emotional weight of the victim's testimony with the legal standards and evidence presented during the trial. In conclusion, victim impact statements play a significant role in the sentencing phase of a trial. They provide a platform for victims to share their experiences and help the court understand the full impact of the crime. While their inclusion has been contested, the Supreme Court has upheld their constitutionality, recognizing their value in achieving a more holistic and just sentencing process. By considering the voices of victims, the legal system can ensure that justice is not only served but also seen to be served. This approach helps to foster trust in the judicial process and underscores the importance of acknowledging and addressing the human cost of crime. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. See you next time, as we continue to explore and explain the complexities of the criminal justice system.